Guys, welcome back to the Barndo channel. This is Charlie Downs with 1845 Barndominiums. We're coming to you today from Kilgore, Texas to show you a beautiful Barndominium that we are calling the Sike's Barndo. We have completely finished this build. We're going to go in and give you a completed tour here in just a minute. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this one. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's around 2,740 square foot overall. You'll see we have an attached 3-car garage that's enclosed over there on the end of the Barndo. And then some of the features that you'll see, we have white on the exterior walls, we have black on the roof panels, and you'll see the trim around the windows and the doors and the top of our wainscoting that we have is going to be black. We have white soffits underneath the porches there, and you'll see on the exterior of this home really beautiful stacked stone wainscoting on the bottom 3.5 foot of this exterior. Now on the back of the house, you're going to see that we have an outdoor kitchen, outdoor patio area for them. We also have installed a generator pad out there for them, and so there's just a lot of really cool features in this house, and it turned out really beautiful. We're excited to bring you the completed tour. If you have not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. You can leave questions or comments for us in the comment area below. We'd love to hear from you guys. If you want to check us out on social media, you can check us out on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And then, of course, if you or anybody else you know would like to get the process started for making your dream home a reality with 1845, we would love to tell you how to do that. You can check us out at 1845barndominiums.com, request some info, and we'd love to talk to you about how to get that process started. So let's head inside now and show you the completed tour of the beautiful Sike's Barndo. All right, guys, so as we walk into the Barndo here, you can see what a beautiful layout we have. I'm going to pan around from the front of the house here. I'm going to kind of walk over and show you the layout, and I'm going to pan around and show you we've got a vaulted living area, and then we kind of have some separation here between the living and the kitchen. So we've got a 9-foot ceiling in the kitchen area that trays up to a 10-foot, and I'll show you that in just a second when we go over there. But I wanted to just show you guys kind of the focal point here. We've got some shaker style built-in cabinetry on both sides of our fireplace. And that fireplace, that's some faux stone from Jordan Stone, right off of I-20. And as you can see when we came in, I'm going to show you guys here, we do have sealed concrete floors throughout the house, except in the bedrooms. Now when we walk in the door here, we've got master bedroom on the right, and then we've got a hallway that's going to take us down to the other 3 bedrooms and bathroom. But I want to take you around the kitchen here and show you. You can see we've got 9-foot ceilings that tray up to 10 foot. Got some really awesome pendant lights there. And so as we go around and kind of show you the layout, we've got double oven there, double wall ovens. We've got our cooktop there with our vent hood, and we do have a pot filler there on that back wall. As we go on around here, you can see our sink area, large window over the sink, and then we've got our microwave there built in with the cabinetry. Now Mr. Mike Yar did the cabinetry here. We have shaker style cabinets, and you know, we have people that ask us exactly what do the shaker style, you know, can we get a better close-up of the shaker style cabinetry. So I'm going to kind of show you as best I can what that shaker style cabinetry looks like. And all of our cabinetry is custom designed by the homeowner. So if our homeowner, you can see down here, we've got a lot of drawers here. Not a lot of cabinets, but the homeowner here elected to do drawers instead. Perfectly fine with us. And so we have him, basically we had the homeowner go meet with Mr. Yar, and he custom designed those cabinets based on the appliances and everything that they have. We've got a 5-foot deep island, and the color there is grizzly gray on that island. And then we've got French doors here out to the outdoor kitchen, which we'll show a little bit later. And then we've got some shaker style cabinets here surrounding. That's actually 2 refrigerator freezers that are kind of functioning as a double, which is pretty cool. And then as we pan around here, I'm going to take you down the hallway here and show you the kids' rooms. So as we come down, you can see our sealed concrete floors here. We have 1x6 trim on the floors, 1x4 trim around the doors. Before we go into the bathroom here, I'm going to show you, we have our trim here, and this is what we call butted trim. It's not mitered at an angle, it's butted and with an overhang. So we're going to go into bathroom number 2 for the kids here. This is on the side with the 3 other bedrooms. Bedrooms 2, 3, and 4 are here. We've got granite countertops and shaker style cabinets to match the kitchen area. You're going to see granite throughout the house here. We've got our toilet room there. We do have an enclosed toilet area. We've got some cabinetry above. And then as we kind of pan around here, you're going to see we've got another door here that gives some privacy into the shower area. And a lot of people like to have that kind of separated so that if one's in brushing teeth or doing other things, we can still have somebody in the shower. Now we do have a tub with a tile surround in here. Again, custom chosen by the homeowner. So what we've done is we do have a tub, again picked out by the homeowner, and then we've taken the walls or the surround area and tiled that up. And then we've had a little bit of space left over in the plan, so we put some linen cabinets there in the area that we had left over. So as we come back around and head out, we're going to head back down the hallway, and I'm just going to kind of show you the setup here first. So we've got 1, 2 bedrooms. We've got a linen closet here at the very end of the hallway, and then another bedroom here. So I'm going to start on this right side. You can see we've chosen to go with carpet in the bedrooms, and just a ton of window space in these bedrooms. We've got 6-foot tall twin windows there. We've got a fixed rectangular window above the bed, and just a really good size. I believe this room is around 14 by 12. And because those windows are a little bit taller, we've got the lower window sills there. We've got really good amount of closet space in there. And you can see just about like every other closet that we do, we've got lots of hanging space, lots of shelving space, and then in this particular setup we have a custom built-in dresser there. So that's going to take us across the hallway. These 2 bedrooms are a little bit bigger. We've got carpet again, and then we've got on the front facing of the house another set of those twin 6-foot tall windows. Again, we've got the rectangular fixed window here, and just a really clean look in these rooms. Now, some of you may ask, what is the color on the wall? That color is light French gray. So if any of you are looking for that particular color for your build, again, that is light French gray on the walls here. These rooms, these 2 I believe are about 15 by 12. Now this room has an interior wall here above the bed, so we don't have obviously the fixed window there, but the closet space that I just showed you a second ago, we basically matched that in all 3 of the bedrooms. And so, but still plenty of natural light in these rooms. Really good job on the design and setup by the homeowner. Now I wanted to show you real quick, our door style there is a shaker style door as well on the interior doors. We do have some people ask us about that occasionally. Do we have a preference, or do we have a standard that we use? The answer to that is really no. We really want that homeowner to pick those out and tell us, you know, what fits their style and what they're going for. I'm going to show you coming out of the hallway here, just kind of show you what the front of the home looks like from the living area. We've got big double or French doors there, 8-foot tall French doors. Those extra tall windows there with no grids. And of course back into the living area. So let's head over and I'm going to take you into the master bedroom. You're going to see kind of the same thing, carpet on the floors, same trim, windows, everything. Really, really good size master. And again, I hope you guys can see in the video here how much natural light we have coming in those windows. We also have really beautiful tray ceiling. Again, we're going from 9 foot up to 10 foot. And I wanted to show you guys the view as I come around and pan around. We've got our bathroom area right there. And then we've got barn doors there to go into the closet area. So let's take a look here in the bathroom. We're going to have double vanities here with our granite. Like we said, we've got granite throughout the house. So as we go in here, we've got a tall linen to separate the two vanities. Shaker style cabinetry, just like we had with the rest of the house. And then the centerpiece or the focal point is our shower room. So we've got all tile with a pebble floor and tub included, all in the shower room. We put a little pony wall here for separation. And then I'm just going to walk in here and show you. I'm going to walk into the shower and kind of pan around and show you. We've got dual heads with the rain head shower heads. And so just a big, large area, plenty of room in that shower. We've got a little bit of a vanity there with some cabinetry built in and some extra space that we have. And then a pocket door leading us into our toilet room and then back out into the master. Really, really beautiful bathroom. Not overly big, not huge, but really pretty, really good design. Now I'm going to take you in to the closet here, if I can get the light turned on. A lot of space here, big open area. I'm just going to kind of pan around just a little bit. We did do some built-ins over here as well. We've got built-in chest of drawers over here for them for extra storage. So overall, just a really, really cool design. Our homeowner here did a really good job in their design for this home. And so we're going to head over here through the living room again and through the kitchen and make our way out to the garage. So a couple of people that I want to kind of recognize as far as the trades on this home. We have Ben Wilson, did all of the plumbing for us. Of course, Mr. Yar did all our cabinetry. You can see here we've got a little office area that's got our granite countertops as well. All of our countertops, our tile, everything, all of our carpet. So the countertops and the showers, that's all Texas marble. They're in Hallsville. And then all the carpet for the floors was done by Holloway Carpet out of Marshall. So we've got a ton. This is our laundry room here right off the office area. We've got a lot of cabinet space in here and countertop space. Makes this room really functional. And before I forget to show you, we do have a pantry space here built in right here. Lots of shelving included here. No real custom built-ins or anything like that in the pantry, but a full-size step-in or walk-in pantry that we can use. So I'm going to take you out and show you the garage. This is the entry into the garage. So as we come in from the garage, we do have cubbies, little seating area, shoe area there that we built in. We've got an area up here that we can put hanging material there. We can put hooks or whatever we want there for the kids to be able to hang up coats and backpacks. So out into the garage area we go. Now, this is really cool. We want to talk about this for just a few minutes. You notice here a couple of things. So instead of just leaving everything exposed in the garage, we did 8-foot liner panels here up the side of the wall. We can go higher if we want to, but they chose to just go up 8 foot. And then you can see that they went and matched it with white paint throughout the garage. Sometimes that open cell spray foam is not the best color. It's kind of got a nasty yellow color to it, but you can see that we painted and done our liner panels here, and it blends and matches really, really well. And I told you earlier that we did do a little unfinished attic space up top for some extra storage. So we put them a staircase up there and got a room there, but that room is unfinished. Now you notice that that wall there, that full wall is sheeted because that is the exterior wall of the home. So it is spray foamed. That is the exterior wall. We've got our breaker box mounted here. And so just a really, really good size garage, 3 cars or 3 bays, and of course our entry back into the house. But what I wanted to show you now, the last thing we're going to do is walk out onto the outdoor patio here. So from the garage, we can access the outdoor patio area. We've got our grill area here, smoker there, and then of course over here also we've got a custom built-in outdoor kitchen. We've got stacked stone, and I believe that stone came from Longview stone, and it matches the exterior of the house. I'll show you a little bit better view here. We've got a grill area that we built in. Those cabinets were custom built to fit the grill and the sink and everything else. Again, Mr. Ben Wilson did our plumbing. Here, Mr. Yar did our cabinetry. And then all of our electrical throughout the house, everything that was run there was done by Mr. Alan Stiles. I believe it's B&A Electric. They do a lot of work for us and do a really, really fine job. So that's going to wrap up our tour here. We're going to head back inside and kind of wrap this thing up for the Sike's Barndominium. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our video for today. I hope you enjoyed the completed tour of the Sike's Barndo here in Kilgore, Texas. Just kind of a recap of the floor plan. This is about 2,742 square foot. We have 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. We have a vaulted living area with the kitchen area behind me here. You can see we've kind of got some separation there with the 9-foot ceiling and the tray included. It's just a really, really beautiful build. We're really proud of how this one turned out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you go ahead and do that now. You can get updated every time we post one of these completed tours or update videos on the Barndo channel. You can leave your questions or comments in the comment area below. We'd love to hear from you. You can check us out on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Those are 1845 Barndominiums. And then, of course, if you or anybody you know would like to get the process started for making their dream home a reality with 1845 Barndominiums, you can check us out at 1845barndominiums.com. We would be happy to get that process started or explain to you kind of what are the steps to get started, things to do ahead of time before you come meet with one of our sales team members. Hope you enjoyed the tour today. We'll see you guys again next week.